Ba naman yan, te?
Post ko sa YouTube channel natin. Okay, go. Alam ka ko ulit. No, kalimutan ko. Bakit? 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 Kita. Wow! Wag na ilong, Duda. Wag na ilong. Guys, tingnan mo. Ang cute, oh. Guys! Guys, ang cute niya, oh. Ang cute ng OC niya. Wag mo muna gawin itong kita ko. Guys, ayun si Duday, oh. Ayun si Mika Jane. Wow! Ang cute lang naman talaga, eh. Ganito na lang yung ilong, oh.
Hindi bagay sa kanya.
Tinan mo naman sa'yo. Hindi na pwede dito. Ganyan na lang. Lapit na akong tapos, Duday. Tapos ikaw nag-drawing ka ng bear. Ikaw nag-drawing ka ng mask. Ikaw nag-drawing ka ng bear. Tapos ikaw nag-drawing ng ilong na mukhang mapangit, parang itlog lang na pencil. Tapos ngayon, ano yan? Guys! Ang cute, oh! Wow! Gusto ko talaga yan makita ako habang natutulog ako sa gabi. Wow! Cute, Duday. Oh my God. Wait ka. Tapos ito buhok mo. Ito buhok mo. Duday, natatakot ako.
Ha?
Natatakot ako.
Bakit? Okay na.
Wow, ang cute nun! Ay! Ako na magkakat ako na. Eh pala, ikaw na lang. Ang cute ng ano niya, drawing niya, guys, diba? Wow, ang cute. Hindi, ikaw yan, Duday! Sa'yo sabi ko.
Wait, tigilan mo yan.
Cute ko, guys, oh. Wait, tignan mo. Hi guys, I'm Duday and I'm very cute. Look at my very cute me. Wow, ang cute na ko, guys, diba? Ang cute ng mukha niya, guys. Oh my God! Oh, baby girl. So guys, I scrape my hand. I mean my paa. I mean my knuckle. I mean my tuhod. Okay, okay. But at English. But at English. Okay, I'm not done yet. So here, guys, I'm almost done. Very cute, right? Okay. Saan yung bili ko? Inapuan ko. Money, make I say, I will love, like he said.
Kaya natin pakita kay Ate Rake.
Wag.
Bakit?
Ayaw ko. So here, guys, very cool, right? Very cool. Don't trace. Oh my God. Don't trace. Don't trace. Stop. Don't trace. Don't trace. Okay, yan. Very good. Don't trace. So guys, this is a room from my dead grandma. And yeah, we're using it.
Bakit dead grandma?
Patay na si nanay eh.
Buhay pa yan, te. Ghost.
Patay na din yun, Duday. Sige ka eh. And guys, this is the other ones I made last time. And yeah, I made Alice, baby girl from Oliver. Okay, titake mo na. Ay, hindi pala titake. Don't cheat Baldim because you're tall and dark. Okay, guys, we're gonna do it with this. And very cute, look, very cute. Okay. Okay, wait. They don't love you like I love you. Wait. They don't love you like I love you. No. Wait. They don't love you like I love you. Guys, you can dance from that song I made. Totally not Michael Jordan song. Yes. Okay. My principal, I mean my mayor. Wag mo nga ano yan, Duday, mainit. And yes, Michael Jordan.
Ano?
Wag mo pakita yung stomach mo. Makikita yun ng mga lalaki na gusto ikaw igo-go-go. They don't love you like I love you.
Baka ikaw. Try mo pakita yung tami mo.
Hindi.
Stanley.
Wait. They don't love you like I love you. Wait. They don't love you. They love you. No. Wait. They don't love you like I love you. No.
Wait. They don't love you.
Like I love you. Wait. They don't love you like I love you. No. Good. Wait. They don't love you like I love you.
Alam ko kung paano nang gumawa ng book. Hindi na yung katulad ng ginawa. Asa na pala yung papel na things natin?
Wala, Duday. Oopsie daisy. They don't love you like I love you. Naku, baby Dubai. Andiyan lang pala.
Wala na!
My God. Yung memory book natin na hindi pa natin napakita sa baby subscribers natin. Oops. Bakit inatapon ng mama mo na mapangit sobra?
Paano mo magsalita yung tingnan mo?
Oh, you baby girl. Oh my God. Wait. They don't love you like I love you. Wait. They don't love you like I love you.
Ginunting ko book.
No.
Joke lang.
No.
Ginanong ko lang. Sabi ko ganun
Wait.
Ginanong ko lang.
Ang cute!
Ano yan? Bakit mo pinulupot?
Kasi ganyan talaga yan eh. Tingnan mo yung mga palupot din.
Pinulupot ba to?
Hindi. I love you.
Bakit nakapulupot yan?
Kasi ito square, cube. Tapos hindi ganyan. Dalawa lang yung ganyan ko, si Alice at saka si Petunia from FPE.
Ay, box ba tong ulo niya?
Oo. Palupot din yan last time.
May tao dito sa at
Gulat ako sa'yo.
They don't love you like I love you. When
Ba't mo kasi hindi sinasarado?
wag mo isarado. They don't love you like I love you. They don't love you like I love you. No. Wait. I Wait! Duday, pakita mo nga yung sayaw mo. Pakita mo nga yung sayaw mo. Go. Pakita mo.
Baba mo nga dito.
Hindi, Duday. Full. Go. Ulit. Yung twerk. Yung maliit na twerk. Hindi, yung isa. Okay, Duday. I-throw it back. Hindi yun, throw it back. Kisa, gawa mo nga yung sayaw mo, matagal. Pag nakita kita nag-stop, papatayin kita. Turn ta, aring kiso na mudi ka na ba, kubalu, muma, tun sa, aving kiso maliat, buriat, yali.
Huwag mo akong takutin.
Anong seko manuli ka na dum, that kuvaru, why are you so ugly, baby, dubai?
Sinabi? Sabi mo
Wala.
pangit ako?
Okay, Duday. Okay, magsayaw ka. Sige ka, thank you.
Tayo mo, brother.
Arikiso mamuji ka na Ano? Leko ba?
Hindi mo ako mahabol.
Mama.
Ano ba yung
Arikiso
kinakanta
na
mo?
mudi ka na Makita natin sa subscribers natin.
Para maano.
Gusto ko gumawa uli.
Hindi pwede. Tsaka yung sprinkle kit mo pa, parang furry. Saan yung seasons? Guys, I got her here. Guys, Uy, Duday! Malaglag na ako! Uy, pwede Duday. Manushi. Yan.
Wala. Ito, heart.
Pwede, sayaw ko ulit. Go, sayaw ko ulit.
Ayoko na.
Di mag-twerk ka. Go, twerk ka.
Ako, pero muna ako.
Twerk ka. Go.
Gusto lang, alagay mo muna dyan.
Tag-tara. Ang bilog ah. Ang bilog. Wow, guys, ang cute ng twerk niya, guys. Oh.